So these are the unusual occurrences. May mga flight disruptions sa amin. It could happen anytime. Actually, we didn't expect anything to happen like this. Ano, okay na, may wine tasting daw. Oh. Hey guys, what's up? It's me again, Do, and welcome back to my channel. So, I'm together with Hannah. Say hi, Hannah. And we're here at Villa Maria here in
Auckland.
Yeah, it's our first time here in Auckland. Well, technically, it's my second time, but the first time I was here, overnight lang kami, so hindi talaga kami nakalabas. So, ayun, this is the second time I'm here, and it's a 5 days out scheme. We just arrived yesterday, and then ngayon yung first day off namin. We have a total of almost 3 days off, so marami kaming pwedeng gawin dito. And together with us is also a first-timer, meet Sir Darrell. Hi, Darrell. Ayan. So, wala talagang kaming plano kung anong gagawin namin today. Actually, when we woke up a while ago, the plan was we're gonna eat steak, but then it's closed na. Doon na lang kami kumain sa beside the steakhouse. Ganda mo dyan, ano? Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. So we're planning to have the wine tasting.
So we close in 7 minutes.
Oh, 7 minutes.
So we don't have enough time to make a tasting for you guys. Sorry about that.
How about tomorrow? So you're close?
Yeah, so we can book you in. Yeah, so
Ano close na sila?
Yeah, they're gonna be close. So ano na, strike 2 na tayo, sir. Strike 2 na tayo. So, epic fail, guys. Sarado na sila in 7 minutes. So, a useful tip for all of you guys, if you go to a place for the very first time, like this kind of place, you have to search for kung kailan sila magsasara. Especially yung mga ganyan na wine tasting na parang 4 PM sila nagko-close. Ano ba yun? Matutulog na sila at 5? Okay, maglilibot-libot muna tayo kami dito. So, this is the actual vineyard. Ano ba to? Grapes to, di ba? No? Saan ako hati?
So, ano man tayo? Full body shots. Bakit ganun parang against the light? Actually, hindi parang against the light talaga.
Okay ka lang dyan, sir. Sensya na ginawa ka namin kami. Ikaw nga muna para malaman mo.
Wala yun.
Stop, ayoko na. Okay, stop mo muna, sir. Okay, and we're now on our second location. Where are we?
Strawberry farm.
Strawberry farm.
I know what we're gonna do.
What? What? Gym? Okay. The strawberries look so good, pero I think I'm gonna have the strawberry ice cream or what? What are you gonna have? How about the smoothie? The smoothie. Workout time! Yo! Para maging productive daw yung day namin dito, mag-workout kami. Let's go! Kasi isa sa New Year's resolution din daw namin yung mag-workout. Kasali ba yun? Sa'yo?
Oo. Sa'yo?
Oo! For a healthier and fitter 2020. Yeah! So this is gonna be the first time that we're gonna work out here. No! We've been working out sa Toronto. Yun? Sa Toronto na workout tayo together sa Toronto. We still don't know kung ano yung itsura ng gym dito sa hotel namin dito sa Auckland. But I'm hoping na it's gonna be good because as far as I can notice, yung hotel namin dito maganda. Open it. Malaki. Ay, not bad. Oh. Ooh. Ay, malaki.
Malaki siya.
Wow. So this is how our gym looks like here. Natural light. Ganda. Ganda.
Compared sa ibang gym.
Oo. Compare dun sa Toronto natin, parang basura yung ano natin.
Oo nga, number.
Are you gonna teach us, workout tayo together kung anong workout mo?
Okay.
Ha?
Ano yung workout ko eh.
Ano yung figure ni Hannah? Show us your figure. Sobrang nipis ng ano niya, ng...
Yes.
Uy! Sure ka ba gusto mo ito panood ng tao sa ano? So, ganito. So, how do you maintain your figure, Hannah?
Ayoko walang ganyan.
So, tapos na siya sa workout niya. So, how was your workout, Han? Isa ding tip para sa mga cabin crew aspirants dyan. Prepare as early as now. So, what was your preparation beforehand? Workout ka rin. Eh, parang dati pa naman nag-workout ka na, di ba? Kasi nagpa-pageant si Hannah. That's why she has this physique. Oh. So, tapos na namin mag-workout. Yung program ko was, I just jog for 10 minutes and then back, biceps, then a little bit sa core ko. And then how about you, Han? More on, sabi niya kanina, mas more on lower body siya. That's why she did squats, core. Ayun, kaya ganyan yung puwet niya, lapad. So, how often do you work out pala, Han?
Depende yan.
Pag may off. Pero simula ng taon, ano talaga, as much as possible nag-workout ka na din. Kung maalala nyo, sa lahat ng mga vlogs ko, pag wala siya nasasabi, it's either didila lang siya or ganyan nga. Oh. And we're done. Wala akong masabi. Okay, bye-bye. Good morning! Morning! Good morning guys, it's already our day 2 here in Auckland and sana may mangyari talaga sa araw namin today. We're just waiting for the shuttle going to the airport because from the airport we'll be going to downtown. How many hours going to downtown, Han? One something. We're here at the airport now and we're just going to the ticket office to get tickets, bus tickets going to downtown. She's gonna double check if it's gonna be cheaper if we go for Uber. I'm just turning on my handy dandy Pokify. Lamig, pero siya. Talaga Pilipina, yeah. Talaga Pilipina, yeah. So, epic fail ulit. Mali kami. It's gonna be cheaper if we go for Uber from the hotel going to downtown. It's less kasi pag dito $17 each, pero pag nag Uber kami, it's just gonna cost us $47. Yep. Well, it is what it is. So, nagsisearch ako kung anong pwede namin gawin. She suggested if we'd want to go for the Skywalk
Tower.
Sky Tower, which is this one. Whoa. That's the Sky Tower. For how much? 32 New Zealand dollars. I'm not sure if you can see the string, pero may ano dyan. Ayan o, ayan o. That's the string. Pwede kang maglambitin dyan o tumalon ata. So, we're now here at Queen Street na according to Hannah, shopping center dito. So, shopping ka na naman? Ay, nako. Pag may makita na naman tong damit na ano. Oh my God, they're playing Game of Thrones opening theme. Yung balahibo ko narinig ko eh. Oh, tana ganda. Wow. Wow. Okay, our time.
GTS.
Hindi ko po ang trabaho ko pag nagkalipad kami ni Hannah.
Oh, sure.
Okay, sila muna sila. I'll take a photo.
Napag-utusan pa po kami. So she's planning to buy a planner because that's one of her New Year's resolution. Is it right?
Share mo sa lahat. Share mo sa lahat na nandito. Travel journal.
They really have cool notebooks here, guys. They have Guardians of the Galaxy. Ito mga Marvel. 70% off. Oh, this one is nice. Black Panther. You have really cool pens. That's fine. So she's planning to buy this one. This is really cute. Pero kasi wala akong paggagamitan. Ikaw, may paggagamitan ka nito? Wala. Ano, nakitan ka lang? Cute niya.
Alam ko muna kung magkano.
Yan o, ito talaga. Ang ganda nito. Friends, so no one told me life was gonna be this way. Oh, tama nga ako, guys. Diba? Sabi ko kanina, oh, ayan na. Ito na po. Bibili siya ng panty. Pang ano yan? Pang Siargao? Are these swimsuits or lingeries? Ah, swimsuits. Ayan na po siya, mga kaibigan. Pagoda tragedy. Taas naman ang park na dito. Umakyat kami. And there, all the way down there. Mababa yan. Hindi ko nang na-vlog kasi sobrang nakakahingal. Ayan, chill lang muna kami dito saglit sa park nila. Kasi napagod kami kakaakyat. This one's a beautiful tree. We're back at our hotel. Sir, pwede ka ba picture dun sa may pool area? Hello guys, so it's already our day 3 here in Auckland and supposedly flight na namin back to Manila mamayang gabi, but unfortunately sumabog yung Taal volcano and nagka-ash fall doon sa Manila. So as of now, canceled pa yung flights namin and we really don't know when are we gonna be flying back to Manila. My situation right now is ubos na yung damit ko. Kanina pumunta kami ni Hannah sa may grocery because I bought extra underwears kasi wala na akong underwear. So ayun muna yung priority ko, and then this is my last sando na. Tapos ayun, wala kaming ginagawa ngayon dito sa room. Doon lang kami ng TV.
It was established in 1947.
It's still a sunny day today here. Ay, hindi pala sunny, medyo gloomy pala. Ayan. What we're gonna do is close monitor kami sa mga phones namin for any updates on when are gonna be our flight, kung ano ba talaga yung mangyayari sa amin, kung if we're gonna be extended here, but definitely may extend kami because the aircraft that we'll be using flying back to Manila didn't depart early morning kanina sa Manila. So ayun, we'll see what's gonna happen Si Hana, she's back in her room. Kanina nandito siya, may ginagawa siya kanina, pero that's the update. So, these are the unusual occurrences. May mga flight disruptions sa amin. It could happen anytime. Actually, we didn't expect anything to happen like this. Pero, ayun, part of the job namin to mga unusual occurrences na to. So, yeah. Supposedly, may mga errands ako back in Manila when we fly back in Manila, but then it will be changed kasi nga, ayun. So, we'll see. Ciao.